Ito po ang Balitang Ilocos Online.
Ang message ko po is wishing him the best. Alam naman niya, we have no rift naman talaga. We never quarreled naman. Alam niya yan. I respected him as the mayor for the past 3 years po. So wala siyang masasabi sa relationship and respect ko sa kanya po. So I wish him all the best po. I keep an open line with our Mayor Michael. Wala namang problema sa akin po.
Sir, in-expect mo kasi season?
I projected some numbers pero hindi ko in-assume na ang voters turnout natin ngayon is 72,000 to 73,000. Kasi last national election is ang bumoto lang dito is 68,000. So that's almost 8 to 9% increment versus last election na po. So nakakagulat talaga. Siguro yung mga constituents natin talaga they want change po.
Sir, about the empleyado nga lantaran nga nag-support?
No comment muna. We will review yung CSC kung ano yung mga violations. Pero ako, hindi naman ako na-personal po. Alam niyo naman, kahit binabash ako for the past 7 months, ginagawan ng fake news, you never heard a single fake story from me and my camp po. So, yun. Alam niyo naman yun. We have to deliver. We have to perform for the next 100 days. But it will be difficult. Kasi nga, transition. That's the most difficult. Pero may mga plans tayo beforehand, before itong election. So, gagawin natin pag talagang trabahuin natin for the next 100 days. There will be birth pains. Pero we will try our best.
Sir, itanong ko na rin, no? So, pwede ka naming singilin after 100 days sa mga campaign promises, sir?
Yes, pero it will take time. Alam niyo naman yung platform ko, hindi kaya talaga ng first 100 days. That platform is doable within the next 3 years. So ang platform natin is hindi band-aid solution, kundi long-term solution siya. Pero yung 5 major platforms ko is doable for the next 3 years.
Sir, anong mensahe yun kada nakalaban?